So if you look at this, if you look at this screenshots, you can see that these are some of the withdrawal that was just meant just recently, that is yesterday. I can see for some of the members in the group. So what was the name of this platform? Hi, good morning. May the peace and blessing of Almighty God be upon you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, I'm going to briefly explain to you briefly about this website or platform that was just launched yesterday on 22 of January 2024. And this platform was so amazing with some of the features I saw and the positive result I'm getting from it. This platform was just launched just yesterday and it was called Estallion. It's a people company completely dedicated, just like some of the platform which was just come and pass just recently, OTTO and mobile and some of them. So this Stallion Automobile is also a great opportunity for us to earn some of the income via our smartphone or make use of the opportunity for internet users. So let me just take you down into my dashboard and show you how the interface look like. So here is my account that I'll just register. I'm yet to even make a deposit on it, but when I make the deposit, I'll also show you what my earnings will be like on it. So going through to the website, this is so amazing. This is the Telegram channel. When you click, you are going to arrive and be getting some of the odd updates from the Telegram features also, and it also have a line, WhatsApp online, where you are going to be having some of the updates about the WhatsApp. You can even contact the admin if you are having any issue about the platform. So also I'm going to quickly show you. Okay, about uh, how you can purchase the VIP on the platform. So you can see from the list of the VIP to the top ones, this one start with 5,000 of monthly, which you are going to be earning 2,100 naira a month a day. This one of 26, and you'll be getting 11 per day. And this one also of 80, you are going to be earning 37 per day. This one of 480, you are going to be earning 90 per day. That is all from the list to the top, which is 5 million naira. So on it, after a monthly, it also have a daily on. So if you switch to this daily on, you can see that totally is going to take 3 days for 5k, and you'll be earning 25, which will be in total revenue will be 7,500 naira. This one of 26, it's going to be 15 per day, and total revenue is going to be 46,000 naira. And so also 80, it has a changes. It varies from that of monthly to daily. There is a varies in between it, because if you are in a monthly, you will be seeing that is 2,100 naira per day, and if it is for daily, then it's going to be 25 per day. But I will recommend for you to go for daily. And if you are watching me right now, if you get this video in between 1 week to 2 weeks up to 3 weeks of you viewing this my video, I would suggest you get started as soon as possible. But if it is up to 1 month of you watching my video, I recommend you to just watch it and pass, because on this platform, I have to put a disclaimer of this platform. So don't use So also, this is the inboard, this is the invitation where you're going to get your invitation. And mind you, the most amazing fact about this platform is that if your friend upgrades, that is, if your friend that you invite upgrade to VIP 1 or above, you will be earning 1,000 naira. So assuming in an estimation, if I go to my calculator here, and let's say you have like 15 friends that you are going to invite, and all of the 15 friends, they make a deposit. So 1,000 naira times 15, you earn almost 15,000 naira in just within a minute or within an hour that you invite your friends and family to join the platform. Yeah, that is good about it. So I'm going to quickly log out and also know, but before that I have to inform you about the withdrawal, how you are going to set your withdrawal. So if you click on this withdrawal here, how are you going to set? Although I have already set is my own, which is Paycom, and Paycom is just serve as OP account. So you can just click, it's not something difficult. You click on it and set your payment methods, and also after on saving your payment methods, you also set your transaction pin. So I'm going to quickly log out and show you how you can log in, or how you are going to create your account on this website. So I'm going to leave my link in the description of the video. If you click on the link, you are going to get into this interface. After you put down your phone number, you come here and put your password. After putting the password, you click on send the OTP. Because I'm not going to click on it because I've already registered using this my number. It's going to have a problem if I click on register again. So all what you are going to do is to click, after send the OTP, you put down the OTP inside. It's going to be a numbers. So after putting the OTP, you click on sign up. So that is just it about the platform. If you enjoy watching this video and you found this video so helpful, I would like you to turn on the bell icon. Have a wonderful day over there.